Looking at Netflix this week, we can see price has really been kind of ranging around here for the entire year, it looks like, and we are pushing to the upside. Price gave us a nice little retracement back to roughly the 110 level here, and we found apparently enough buyers in there willing to step in and push it back into the highs of really this year. Okay, so I'm looking for this thing to continue to the upside here, but as you can see, we've got the little retracement here, price coming back down. I would be surprised if this happens this year that we make new highs. I would think it'd be next year before just the technical aspect of this thing plays out. Looking at the daily time frame here, you can see that we pulled back into the gap that we see from October and the big launch that happened there, and pulled back into this area. And today, as it sits here, we have retested the chocolate zone, and we've punctured through this blue zone here. And I'm looking for us to kind of range back down into the 114 area, as this resistance zone could possibly become support right around in here, or possibly dip down low, like I was just saying, into the 114 level. But I wouldn't be surprised to see a little flip-flop of support and resistance here, and then push into the 130 level. So this coming week, I think we're going to go up, but I think we could do some consolidation first, and possibly push a little bit lower before we go up there. And that's really what I'd be looking for, is possibly a pause at the 120 level, and then just reforming this zone and push to the up. Looking here at Costco, we can see that we've been steadily moving up, and we've done a real nice retracement back down here right around the $140 level, and we're pushing up into weekly supply at the 160.57 zone, which is where the high of the weekly bar is this week. Moving over into the daily time frame, you can see the daily coincides with the weekly. We have the nice big gap there, and again, the daily zone is just a little bit higher. Okay, as we've just gone through all that chopping and gone through the breakout, so it's just a little bit higher at 161.84. Okay, so that's really the level that we're looking for price to get up to, and see if price can't push a little bit higher now that it's broken out of all this tight consolidation here that it was in, and be looking for that to happen here this following week, is continue to push to the upside. As we look at the lowest time frame here, the 4-hour time frame, as this is more of a swing type of position that we're looking at, we did see the big gap here, obviously, over the past couple days, and we've been putting in this big wick here today. So this is really, well, excuse me, yesterday. This is really kind of interesting, but I don't really see a whole lot of levels close to us on either side. We broke out of this big range here, and really popped out of the 151 zone as we got the nice little money bounce there. And I'm still looking for this thing just to continue up. You know, I think maybe we'll get a little retracement down here to the 154 level, but I'm just looking for this thing to remain to the upside, and just keep on pushing high into the 162. And this is interesting to me, but the 4-hour time frame shows that we have resistance up there at the 163.43 level. So right now we're in clear blue skies, and I think we might get a gap fill and then pushing into the 163, 162 area into daily and weekly supply.